Hey
So the
guys,
materials you will need is a Dollar Tree bags, staples, glue gun or glue, and scissors. I started off by opening the packages. The Dollar Tree bags came in 3 bags for $1. Next, I'm going to be gluing the bags together by way of the bottom, but keeping them intact. So I did some type of crisscross um, motion and lines, but it doesn't really matter how you position the glue sticks. It's paper, it'll stick. Next, what you're gonna want to do is pretty much lay them on top of one another. And here is the product when I put all of them together. It was 12 bags total. Um, Now what I'm going to be doing is cutting off the top of the bags. You could do whatever design you want. I did a upside down triangle, as you can see here. After which, I stapled the inner points together. You just open them up a little bit and just connect the inner points and staple them together. You can also use glue. Staple will make it a little easier because when you widen it up to create the fan, you don't want to be like tearing it or moving it. And that's pretty much it. After I stapled it, I tried to open it up a little bit on all sides, widen it to create a more fan effect and make it more fuller. And then I pretty much stapled it on my wall. And so you have it. See you next time.